Hello viewers, today we are blessed with an African proverb straight from here in Africa, the land of the wise, the land of the beginning, the land of everything you need, Africa. But before we continue, let me inform you that you're watching Motivations podcast on YouTube channel of Acholi Pro Evo TV, and it's a request that you subscribe. Today, in this video, I would like to talk about an African proverb which says, birds does not fly into your arrow. The arrows that you shoot, or maybe we can say a slingshot, but the Acholi tribe call it labotida. The bird does not fly in the direction of your arrow, or when you just have the arrow here. So what is the meaning of this proverb? This proverb is an emphasis to remind you that you will not get things on a silver plate. Nothing will come easy for you. Nothing will come and get you. It's a reminder that luck is limited. It's a reminder to you that you need to work hard. You need to go for what you want in order for you to get it. Being it your business, your faith, your love relationship, whatever thing in life, you have to go for it. You cannot sit with your arrow in your hand, or you cannot just shoot the arrow anywhere. No, you will miss the birds, or even the birds will not come near you to fix themselves into your arrow. That's an impossibility. Many people sit down and believe that, let me wait. Some of them call it patience. Me personally, patience does not exist in my dictionary. In any case, if I'm to be patient, then my definition of patience is just to have the right attitude while waiting. But in the process of waiting, I must also do something which proves that I'm ready for what I'm waiting for. It really defeats people's understanding, especially why in Africa, many people from rich family end up living poor life. Their children end up living poor life. Because the children think they will wait for the moment to come. They believe it is luck. They don't go for it because they say, after all, my parents already have this and this. My parents have these cars, these houses. But you who is from a poor family, you wake up every day and you know that the success of me and my family rests on my shoulder. My family must eat on my shoulder. It is my utmost responsibility to make sure that the future of my family is not the way my parents live their life. It's upon you to struggle and change things. So this is the matter of fact that we need to be very realistic on it and understand. The simplest African proverbs are always the most powerful ones. Like, for example, this one is telling us that birds don't fly into your arrow. That's too simple. If you just hear it, it is very simple. But it carries very heavy meaning. It carries very heavy substance that you need to digest it. You have a contract application and you're waiting for, wait. There are those who are fighting for it. You see a man and you're interested for the man to become your husband. Or you see a woman and you're interested for the woman to become your husband. And you say, let me wait. Maybe it will. There are those who are fighting to get that same person. Business opportunity. You see people putting in things. People taking adverts on radios, on TVs, online, on social media. For you to sit and say, it is still a bad season. Let me wait for it to change. There are people who are fighting hard to make hands meet. That's why they send adverts, they do research, they change prices, they change strategies. Sometimes you're in business, you are forced to change suppliers in order to shoot certain market demand. Or even to diversify what you're selling. You don't only sell one entity. That is the law of life. That is the pressure we are in life. It does not come easy. Imagine now your work is to buy food from restaurant. Or if you're a woman, your work is to buy food from the market and prepare it or cook it. Well, to some people, that work even is very difficult. But again, you remember a time when women were supposed to carry water from long distances. 10 kilometers from the river source. Man goes hunting with bows to shoot the birds with bows. This cock of mine here, I will show you one day. To carry, to make sure that they come back with the wild ant. Sometimes you risk your life against dangerous animals such as lions, which may end up even killing you. But they don't give up. That was the true life of an African of those days. But now it is a little bit easier. Because you have fish ponds, you can buy fish if you want, and you cook. Most of your work is the game of money. So now, as the Africans who have experienced hardship say, birds can never fly into your heart unless you keep aiming at them. Thank you very much for watching. And if you are subscribed, I will see you in the next